You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish from Italian cuisine. If you want to learn more names of traditional cooking terms from Italy, and make sure to stay tuned. So, the Italian pronunciation is as bagna. GN is pronounced nya, okay. Bagna, meaning to give a bath, okay, to bathe. That's the meaning. Bagna càuda. Càuda is the tail, so literally meaning dip the tail or bathe the tail. Bagna càuda. So in English you can say it similarly. English pronunciation, bagna càuda. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.